Fantasy FX is a highly pigmented water-based product which will dry on the skin and on the hair. It's available in over 25 different colors. To put this on, you will simply need a sponge or a brush. To apply, squeeze a little bit out so you get a nice solid amount on there. And then we simply apply it with a patting motion to build up the product. You don't want to stroke it like this, you want to be able to pat it on and build it up. As it dries, it will allow you to build up even more intensity. You do not want to put on a thick layer, you want to make sure they're thin layers and just keep patting it on for that solid color. And in a few minutes it will dry and you're ready to apply your second color. If you want more of a translucent look, you can use things like zombie flesh, moonlight white, or white. You spread it around really thin. And you actually pull the flesh from behind, allowing that human element to show through the makeup. For zombies, werewolves, and ghosts. And now, that's Fantasy FX.